Grandma won't like it that we took her van without her permission.
So how about we don't tell her? Okay, he's almost at FapCom. And go into the office. Over. Here we go, man. Just let me do the talking. And go up to the receptionist. Over.
And go up to the receptionist. Over.
Can I help you, sir?
You idiot! Turn off the manual override when you give him an order.
You idiot! Turn off the manual override when you give him an order. Crap, 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 crap.
Crap, crap, crap. Go to the receptionist. Over.
Can I help you, sir?
I am Sergeant David Bullard.
Dennis, butt wipe!
David Bullard. Dennis Buttwipe!
Dennis Bullard of the United States.
Dennis Bullard of the United States Army.
Say something.
Shut up. Would you let me handle this?
Would you let me handle this? You're scaring her.
Mr. Kayasawa, can you come out here, please?
What is it, Becky? I'm kind of busy here.
There's a military man who wants something.
Shake his hand. Salute him.
Override off, you moron.
How can we help you?
Now we're getting somewhere.
Shh. I'm here for the Bunker Blaster strategy guide.
You want the strategy guide?
Affirmative.
May I ask why?
No. Don't just say no, you moron. National security. If I told you why I want it, I would have to kill you.
Oh, that's brilliant. Look, I know that the Army has put up $1 million to sponsor this contest. Oh, and we are very grateful for the publicity. But the strategy guide must remain top secret. I'm sure you can appreciate that.
The Army put up the prize?
What the hell?
Army put up the prize? What the hell? Listen, you lollygagging malingerer. How would you like it if I had the UPS audit you?
UPS?
It's IRS. Don't you know anything?
IRS? Don't you know anything?
Look,
Sergeant David Dennis Buttwipe?
Sergeant Buttwipe, if I give you the strategy guide, do you promise to keep it secret?
Yes, we did it. Shh, shh. Yes, you have my word of honor. Shake his hand.
If you don't mind, I will just call General Matakovich to confirm this. Becky, would you please get him on the line?
Crap, he's calling some general.
Crap, he's calling some general.
Shoot, they might arrest him. Get him out of there.
Get the hell out of there as fast as you can.